Hey everybody, this is Natural Royal Essence. I'm here to do another hair video. I'm going to be doing a hairstyle today. I blow dried my hair last night and I needed a trim desperately, so that's how come I blow dried it straight. I'm missing my hair color, but as you can see, I can't do the hair color with blow dried hair because my hair's got to be damp to put the temporary hair color in. So I went ahead and blow dried it last night, and I trimmed all the ends off. It desperately needed it. I am gonna come today. I'm gonna do I don't know, I guess it's a tutorial on a hairstyle for, it's an everyday look for whether you wear it, it's a classic yet timeless hairstyle. So it's something simple, something that you can put together when you're rushing and you don't have time. And it's a little messy today, so I'm just gonna take this down. And I have a comb in here. And what I'm gonna do is probably part it. See, I was rushing this morning. Comb it out. I didn't put any product in it besides heat protectant. So, and I forgot to put leave-in conditioner, so feels a little dry. Just a little bit dry. I'm gonna do a cleaner part. I actually like to use my fingers. So you just want to make it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm not really good at making parts for some reason. I used to be when I was younger. I used to braid like a professional when I was young. I don't know what happened to my skills, but so I'm gonna take this to the back. Now, I guess I'll do a rendition of what I wore to work today. So I'm gonna split it down the middle. Hopefully it's not too many parts for me because parting the back of my head is always a challenge. Making it move. Ooh, I don't want to break this mirror. Okay. I got some strong roots. I can't even separate the roots. And that's with blow dried hair. I hope this is parted in the middle. Okay, yeah. It's not the cleanest part, but it will do. You'll get the idea. So with this, I'm gonna take this and get a ponytail holder. Just swing it through. And then with this one, I don't think I've actually wore this hairstyle before, even though I've seen it's a typical hairstyle. Timeless. I have two little pony poofs. And it does make you look much younger. Like you're a schoolgirl. And so I wanna, not sure how I'm gonna do this. I can swoop it. I know it'd be pretty if I take this and do a 2-strand flat twist. So you just want to twist it all the way to the end. And I believe what I'm going to do is wrap it. You can either wrap it above or wrap it below. I don't know which. I kind of like it above. And then pin it. I'm going to use a hairpin. So that is day 1. So we'll see you tomorrow for part 2.